morning, guys. Was that fun? Today is Saturday. Let's see. Saturday, October 29th at 7:57 a.m. I was actually very proud of myself. Today's a Saturday and I still woke up at 6 a.m. Tim had to leave for work. He doesn't typically work on Saturdays, but this day he had to, and he had to leave. He had to be at work by 5. So I was kind of already up-ish, and then I was like, you know what? We're just gonna stick. I'm getting up. My alarm went off and I got up. Also, I know my hair is not looking the cutest right now. Actually, in 2 hours, well, we have to leave in an hour and a half, but I have an appointment to get it done. I'm so darn excited, and I'm getting more highlights put in and probably just a little trim. I am actually gonna go put this on the charger though, because it's currently at, let's see, 21%. And in like half an hour, probably, we're gonna go take Callie for a walk. So I just wanna make sure this is charged. And as you can obviously see from that shot and this shot, all of the shots, this place is a disaster. Honestly, is the lighting okay? Honestly, I don't remember the last time that the condo was this messy. This place needs a lot of cleaning. Like, it's just a disaster. Also, here's Callie. Say hi, baby. Say hi. We're gonna go for a walk soon. Yes, we are. Callie, we're gonna go for a walk outside. This is all clean laundry that has to be folded. This is all dirty laundry that has to be washed. There is currently a wash in there. I mean, it's done, but I have to take it out. And then there's just stuff everywhere. So we're gonna have to do so much cleaning. But for right now, I'm gonna change because we're gonna go take Callie for a walk. You want to go for a walk? So our walk lasted a little longer than I expected. It was really nice. I stopped and chatted with the lady for a little bit, but by the time we got back, I was like, all right, I gotta get ready to go, so I didn't even film it. I just did my makeup really quick, got dressed, I had a protein bar. Do we like this? I feel like I like this outfit, but I also kind of feel like I hate it, but I also don't have time to change, so this is what we're going with. Okay, what do you think? I didn't get as many clips. Actually, I didn't get any clips when I was there. The lady who did my hair was so sweet. I really like her. I think I'm gonna go back to her. But how incredible is it? And yes, as soon as I got home, I put my pajamas back on. It's just like, I was there for a while and I am just tired and I just wanted to get back in cozy clothes. We may change before I start cleaning because I kind of want to feel a little more put together, but for like an hour right now, I just want to relax. I just made myself some, can you see that amongst this whole mess? Some fish and a little salad. Tim is currently taking a nap because, as I said, he had to be at work at 5 a.m. this morning and then he got back around noon, and so now he's taking a little bit of a nap, and I am going to relax as well. I don't need a nap, but I do need to relax. So I just pretty much relaxed for a couple hours, and then Tim and I headed out. We went to Home Depot. We had to run a couple errands. Look at this Christmas little setup they had. It was so gorgeous. I love the reindeer. And then we went to At Home. How amazing are these giant floaties? They brought out my inner child. And this, don't even get me started. I was obsessed. And then we went to Buffalo Wild Wings for some dinner. Actually, we had already kind of eaten, so we didn't get too much, but we got apps and drinks. And then when we got home, it was time for some cleaning because, as you saw earlier, I didn't end up getting any cleaning done. We do a lot of cleaning tomorrow, on Sunday of this video, but when we got back, we were going to do a little movie night. So Tim was starting to make some cookies and I was cleaning up the living room so that we could have a nice little setup. And you'll see once I clean it up, we do laying a bunch of blankets on the floor and make it super cozy. There is just something so much more cozy and fun, I don't know, about setting up a movie night on the floor where you move the coffee table out of the way, lay down a bunch of blankets and pillows, make it super cozy. And tonight we were watching Orphan. It was, I had seen it years ago and I remembered it being better than it was, but it was still a really fun movie to watch. Tim had never seen it, so that was kind of fun. And my original plan was actually we were going to watch the first one. This was Saturday night. And then on Halloween, we were going to watch the second one. But to be honest, after we watched the first one, I didn't like it enough to want to watch the second one, so we didn't end up doing that. But it was still a really fun night. Good morning, guys, for me and Callie, who is all tucked in. It is currently 9:28 a.m. Tim just left for the gym. We've just kind of been hanging out this morning. I just made myself some breakfast, and he's on his way to the gym and to help out his friend with something in his condo, something like that, I don't know. And then at 4 o'clock today, we're going over to my family's house because it's my stepdad's birthday. We literally have no plates, like none. So this is what I am having my breakfast on. The living room isn't awful because we did clean it yesterday, but like, I'm watching Shark Tank, surprise, but like still have stuff on here. You know, I have to clean up the blankets, got some glasses and stuff here from last night and this morning. And Kelly, I love you. Hello again, it is time to clean again. I changed, I'll show you my outfit really quick. These are the, surprise, surprise, Align, Lululemon Align leggings. My slippers are from Amazon. I absolutely love these. I will have them linked on my storefront. And then this top I got from TJ Maxx. I think it's so cute. And obviously I'm listening to the Midnight album, as we do everything in this video. Good time to share the quote of the video, and this is one that, I mean, you all know I love different ways of switching up your mindset and trying to, you know, change your perspective on things to feel more genuinely happy and grateful and positive. And this quote is, "A fresh start isn't a new place or possession, it's a new mindset." I just think this quote kind of encompasses everything that I said before. Like when you feel like you need to change or you need to switch something up, it could just mean that you need to change your perspective. You need to change your mindset. If you're dealing with a situation that's really challenging and really tough, try changing your perspective on the situation. Sometimes you will find that that will drastically improve how you feel and make you feel more at peace about the situation. I know this is very vague, but I hope that this can resonate with somebody in something that you're going through. And a quick example I want to share kind of goes along with the upcoming holiday season and the fact that if, you know, depending on where you live, we're about to set the clocks back and it's going to get darker a lot earlier. And I always used to be, you know, like, oh, I don't like it when it gets dark so much earlier. However, I remember a couple of years ago, I was talking to somebody who I work with and he lives in Australia, and he was in the United States for the holiday season. This was a few years ago. And he was like, you know, I actually love coming here for the holidays because in Australia, it's bright like until late, you know, it's summer for them right now. And he was like, you know, there's something so much cozier about it getting darker earlier during the holiday time because you can see all of the lights and everything just looks so much more lit up and magical. And that always stuck with me. And now I honestly get really excited for the time change in November when it gets dark a little bit earlier because it really starts to feel more cozy and festive for the holiday season. So that's just one example of your perspective and changing your mindset to make yourself feel a little bit better. It's not going to work for every situation, of course, but the power of the mind is so incredible, and you really can make such a difference in how you feel every single day if you change your perspective and your mindset. Okay, I'm taking a really quick cleaning break to edit the TikTok that I just filmed, because when we did the living room and the dining room, I was also filming a TikTok, and the kitchen actually, but that's gonna be separate. But the living room TikTok and the dining room TikTok is gonna go live today. Actually, do I wanna make it like all three of them? I think I do. I think I want it to be the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen, like a 3-room clean with me. Okay, never mind. We're gonna go keep cleaning the kitchen then. I've definitely talked about this before, but I'm going to talk about it again because anytime that this happens to me where the kitchen is just like a complete disaster as it was today, and I don't have enough room in the dishwasher to fill it with all of the dirty dishes, once I set the dishwasher, instead of just leaving it, I will then go through and rinse off all of the the dirty dishes. Sometimes if there's only a couple of them, I'll actually just clean them. But today I had so much to do. I did not want to actually sit there and like actually clean all of the dishes, but I did rinse them off and then neatly organize them back in the sink. That way the kitchen looked a lot cleaner. And once the dishwasher was done, I could empty it out, and then it was not going to feel as overwhelming to load in all of the dirty dishes that were sitting in the sink.
We just hold tight. We're up the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light, believe in the magic, and we can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last. When nothing else makes sense, just dance. What you gonna do? We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Baby, you got me. Believe in the magic. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Baby, you got me. Believe in the magic.
Okay, now that we have the kitchen, the dining room, and the living room clean, I am going to head to the bedroom and we're going to start folding all that laundry, taking care of that. I actually did before I even started cleaning. I started a wash, so I have a load of dirty laundry going. Then right now, we're actually about to set my Roomba. I recently got one, and let me tell y'all, it's amazing. It's like, I didn't realize how nice it was even going to be, because I was like, oh yeah, I won't have to vacuum, but like, just not having to pick up my big vacuum as often is so nice. Turn her on, she goes, she does her thing. This is the one that I have. This is the one I have. And let's see, vacuum everywhere. And she's gonna go and do her thing. Oh, good job. You did a good job. All of this is clean, so we're gonna fold that. But then, and like, so, like those pants are clean. That shirt is probably clean. Like, most of that is dirty, but there's like a lot of stuff on the floor that's also clean. And kind of to follow up on that mindset tip, something that I try and remind myself when I'm really feeling overwhelmed with clothes, because that's one thing that I feel like stresses me out very easily, when there's just a ton of clean laundry to fold, a ton of dirty laundry to do, clothes all over the floor, that sort of thing. And I remind myself, okay, if I didn't, like, the fact that I have so many clothes to deal with, whether they're clean or dirty, means that I have a lot of clothes, and I'm really, really grateful for that. If I didn't have all of these clothes to deal with, it'd probably be because I didn't have that many clothes, and I'm so grateful for the clothes that I do have. That being said, I could declutter a little bit. Like, I definitely need to go through, and I'm probably going to be doing a big donating session soon. However, the point is switching my mindset from, oh my gosh, I have to deal with all of these clothes, to I am so grateful that I have all of these clothes, and because I have them, I have to wash them, I have to take care of them, but that's okay because I'm so grateful and thankful that I have them to like in the first place. You guys, I'm obsessed. I've never had a bag with a thicker strap like this, and you can make it much longer, so it can be like a crossbody, or you guys, I'm so freaking excited about this. I don't know if you heard me say that in the TikTok, but like this purse I got from Amazon, and then the strap is also from Amazon. The strap is like adjustable, but I kind of want to make it a shorter strap for right now, to be honest. I feel like how cute is this little look? That's so cute. And then I love this little purse. I'm gonna clean this up, and then I started making myself some fish, so we're gonna have some lunch. I'm very happy right now. I have my beer battered cod, my salad mix, and 2 chocolate chip cookies, and I'm watching Shark Tank, and I have my baby right there. Hi, baby. And Tim is currently in the bath. It is 1:41. I can hear him watching his TikToks. I can hear his TikToks from here. I'm gonna eat, relax for a little bit, and then we're gonna go for a CARRIDE. I'm not gonna say it because Cal will get really excited. And we're going to drive somewhere and then go for a W-A-L-K wherever we go. Hey, Grandma. Yeah, you wanted to go for a walk outside? Yeah, I was thinking we would take a car ride over to see you, and then we would go to play ball with you for a car ride. Would you want to go for a car ride? Yeah, and then we're going to go to the big field and go for a long walk. And go for a long walk and for a car ride to get to the long walk to go see Grandma. Do you want to do that? Do you want to go for a car ride? Do you want to go for a car ride? You want to go for a car ride? Callie's gonna go for a car ride. Callie's gonna go for a car ride. Are you excited? You're gonna go for a car ride to go for a long walk? That was fun. If you watch until this part, comment an acorn emoji. I'm looking at the little like ceramic acorn that I have on my desk. So comment an acorn emoji if you watch till this part. Get excited because my decorating for Christmas video will be up very shortly. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it motivating and helpful. And I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.